Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the pending delivery confirmation issue on DHgate. If you have ordered something and it's stuck in the status, don't worry. I will guide you through the exact step to resolve it and make sure you get the proper tracking update. What does pending delivery confirmation mean? Simply means that your order hasn't been marked as a delivered yet, even if has been shipped. This can sometimes happen due to tracking delays or if the seller hasn't updated the shipping status. First of all, you have to go to your orders. Now you can access. First of all, you have to log in into your account and hover on the profile. You will get to see my order. Click on that. No, I don't have any ordered something yet, so don't worry. The product will appear here and find the affected order. Look for the order. This is the showing pending delivery confirmed. Don't click order received. Okay, avoid clicking the order received button as this tells DHgate you have received the package even if you actually haven't. Now you have to contact seller. Instead, go to seller's page and send them a message. Ask for a shipping update and request a tracking number if you don't have one. This will help you tracking the order in real time. Sometimes order take longer due to shipping delays, so keep an eye on your tracker information. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like this video and thanks for watching.